Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to connect a game on your Discord account. So the first step is go to the application of Discord, and here in the servers you need to go to the option of your profile here in the down part, and now in that page of your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of settings. And here in settings, you need to go to this option of conexiones. This is in English, connections. You pick here, and after that, you need to go to the superior right corner where set añadir. In English, maybe set add. So you pick here, and after that, you need to choose the server or the company where you got the game. And you pick that server, and that's it to complete the process. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.